Many of our guys come to us with zero training. They don't have any experience at all in the HVAC. We will bring them in and train them. We'll put them through the shop and teach them the different materials. We teach them the equipment, and then we go through the actual classroom training.
So we also have a full-time trainer on site. That is his job. During the winter time, especially when the work slows down slightly, we have a classroom at our Dunn location. We have all kinds of units. We have all that in the classroom setting, so it's not just someone standing in front of you explaining something. We get to get hands-on with the equipment.
I'd say because CCA takes the time to train you. As long as you put in the effort, they'll definitely put in the time and be there to help you out. And
we let them work in the shop for a couple of days just to get a feel of the materials and kind of see what they'll be working with. And then whenever they go out in the field, we put them with some experienced help, with some guys that they can train with and learn the correct way to do things.
What I love about this company, just the whole process of training within and training the CCA way means a lot to me because I know it's the right way. And that's what this company is built on, just doing the right thing in general.
Enrolled in Weight Tech. They had a 2-year associate degree program. I enrolled there. After completing that, I started working into the actual field.
Our training is second to none in the industry. Not only do we have our own training facility, but we also have a home split into 2 different sections, a downstairs and an upstairs. It's inside one of our buildings, so it's weatherproof, so they can train in there, whether it's cold or rainy. They will teach you how to work on the units in the community colleges, but typically they don't do a lot of install training, and so we felt like not only did we need to do the classroom training, that we could actually do hands-on training. That really separates us from our competition.
I mean, I definitely was able to advance, and they give you the opportunity to grow. As long as you want it and work hard, you can do it here.